To fix the Bosch dishwasher E35 error code, you need to understand its meaning, causes, and solutions. The E35 error code indicates a problem with the dishwasher's water supply system, specifically a lack of water or insufficient water pressure. First, check the water supply lines to ensure they are not kinked or blocked. Verify that the water supply valves are fully open and functioning correctly. Next, inspect the dishwasher's water inlet filter for blockages or debris. Clean or replace the filter as needed to ensure proper water flow. Another possible cause of the E35 error code is a faulty water inlet valve. If the valve is damaged or malfunctioning, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check the dishwasher's drain system to ensure it is not clogged, as this can also affect water supply pressure. To troubleshoot the issue, try resetting the dishwasher by switching it off and on. If the error code persists, check the user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions on how to diagnose and repair the problem. It is also recommended to consult a professional appliance technician if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if the issue is complex. In terms of best practices, regular maintenance can help prevent the E35 error code from occurring in the future. This includes checking and cleaning the dishwasher's filters regularly, ensuring proper water supply pressure, and running cleaning cycles to remove grease and debris. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the E35 error code and keep your Bosch dishwasher running efficiently and effectively.